So if you can be so kind and subscribe to my channel like this, and by hitting the notification button like this, then you will be notified whenever our new video is being uploaded, and it will be able to help more viewers see my video. I greatly appreciate it. Hey, I'm Patricia, your rideshare angel. So, as some of you may know, I was deactivated. Well, not deactivated. I wasn't active with LYFT because ever since the pandemic started, they were saying that my background check I was having problems with my background check. Well, that my background check was pending. That's what they said. My background check was pending. So now that the hubs are open, I made an appointment. So you go here, you book an appointment, and this is what happens. And then it shows you your information, and you select your car, and then you select your issue. So if you've been deactivated, you want to select that, and that was my issue, because I wasn't a current driver, and none of these other things applied to me. But I just wanted to let you know. And I was telling my cousin, even for the people who been deactivated before, maybe this will be a time that you might want to try to, rekindle that relationship with LYFT. And then, so I hit there, then I hit next. And as you see, I have an appointment scheduled for 1:30 at that location. And then I hit select. And then this is how you set the times. So what happened was, then I set the time. So let's just say I set the time for 2 o'clock. I strongly suggest you do this part because they'll be able to, oh, forgive me with my typing. Here we go. All right, cool. Background check still pending. You want to say that because when you press that, then believe it or not, they start working on it. And so before I can even get to my appointment that I originally scheduled, they have already sent me an email and notification to let me know that I can start to, whatever was pending has been lifted, and I don't even have to go to the appointment. But I just really wanted to show y'all about how, it's open back up and so forth. So, and that's how you do it. And then they send you an email to confirm. Here's the confirmation right there that I'll be going there. And then I go back to dashboard. So you go to driver's hub. So that's you just going into there. So now I believe I should be active. Let's see. And then this comes up. So, the reason why I said you should definitely type in the description what you need before going to the appointment is because they can possibly correct the issue. So what they'll do is they'll send you some emails. And so they sent me an email letting me know, good news, your background check is complete. So I didn't even get to make it to the appointment. This is me originally scheduling my appointment at 12:37. And as you can see, it says the background check is complete. So I can go ahead and start enjoying my rides. And then, of course, this was not this simple when during the pandemic. But now that the hubs are open and everybody's getting back to work, so let's see what I would need to do. Do I get on in? Let's see. Whoa, I'm online. I have actually, again, I've been with Uber. Uber treated me good this entire time, making sure that I stayed on. Unlock silver. So I haven't, to be honest, I have not been on LYFT since the pandemic started. My last time driving for LYFT was in March. So that was LYFT right there just emailing me to let me know that my background check has been fixed. Like, why you keep scheduling appointments? Yeah, see? So they probably like, you need to cancel that appointment because your thing have been fixed. Appointment, see you at the appointment. So please be on time. Let's see how can we cancel it because they've already helped me. So then we go to cancel. Cancel my appointment. Are you sure you want to cancel? Are you sure you want to cancel your appointment? Yes, cancel it. Let y'all know that the hub was open and kind of walk you through if anyone has experienced this issue. I mean, I really found it to be very weird that Uber was able to approve my background check within the right amount of time, like, even during the pandemic, but Lyft wasn't. And again, I started both of them around the same time, so it doesn't surprise me when they're both starting to run my background check at the same time. I understand that that is a periodic thing, depending on which Uber or Lyft. One of them do it periodically, and one of them definitely does it yearly. Just making sure you haven't been, running into people and still driving for Uber and Lyft and not keeping the passenger safe. So I understand that. I just strongly did not understand why Uber was able to approve my background check, but Lyft wasn't. And I have been deactivated the whole time during this whole pandemic from Lyft. But great that Uber have so many other venues such as Connect and Eats and so forth. So Uber really, if you're just solely an Uber driver, you make just as much, sometimes if not more, than someone who has Uber and Lyft and working both apps at one time. Is some of you on here who's watching this video, do y'all work both apps at the same time? How does that work for you with keeping some of your ratings up? I struggled sometimes with keeping going to the level in Uber such as Platinum and Diamond because of that issue. Again, I wasn't trying to disrespect either one of the apps, but again, a girl got to do what a girl got to do as it relates to being able to work both apps. So like always, I come on here to share information on what I go through because I know a few of y'all may have gone through that and probably just haven't revisited it again. So the takeaway from this is the hubs are open, but you got to set an appointment. It's no just walk-ins. If you set the appointment, please take the time and type in what's your appointment for, because they are going to get right on it and you don't even have to actually go to the hub, and they'll be able to fix your problems such as they did. So I put in that I needed my background check fixed and they fixed it. So now I'm ready to turn on my car and get to driving. It's a beautiful sunny day here. And so let's get out here and get this money. Bye.